Hi, I'm Eric Probstfield and I am the Senior Director of the VIAVI Automated Lab-as-a-Service Lab, otherwise known as VALOR Lab, here at VIAVI's facility in Chandler, Arizona. VALOR offers a highly automated, cooperative, and impartial lab-as-a-service, test-as-a-service offering based on VIAVI's industry-leading Nitro wireless portfolio. We worked with ETS-Lindgren to commission this chamber to offer our customers protocol and data throughput tests on Massive MIMO base stations using the TM500UE or User Equipment Simulator. The chamber has been designed so the radio head or RU units can transmit up to 4 separate beams of 4x4 to mimic real use applications. The chamber will allow companies developing Massive MIMO radio head units to independently and comprehensively test them under full protocol stack conditions in an environment which simulates RAN network capacity under controlled conditions. The advantages of the chamber are that the conditions are controlled and there is no need to obtain licenses for live trials. We are pleased to be working with ETS-Lindgren, a world leader for wireless OTA performance testing of wireless subscriber services.